How to view profile viewers on TikTok. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok where you can view the reels that are shared here. From this page, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then, you need to go over to the footsteps icon right here and tap on this turn on option to see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. Now that you've enabled this option, you can check the people who viewed your profile in the past 30 days. Your viewers won't be notified of this setting. Now go back and tap on the inbox option from the bottom panel and select the option activity from this page. You can see who viewed your profile from here. So, by following these steps, you can easily view profile viewers on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.